great ramp access. Then we have barbecue and a really spacious deck. Parking right there, and look at that gorgeous view out to the lake. Spacious lounge room, 2 lounges, massive TV with Foxtel, PTV. We've got a fridge, microwave, dishwasher. We've got the height adjustable stovetop. And we've got 2 bedrooms. Beds can be split, so you don't have to have them as king beds. Air conditioning, which is awesome because today is going to be 38 degrees. Lovely view outside. Bathroom access. Another great bathroom with storage space, which is fantastic. Wheelchair access, lever taps. Toilet has got a backrest. Got height adjustable shower head. Great shower seat or bench. And then access to the other bedroom. So we've got a total of 3 TVs, I think 3 air conditioners, and lovely spacious bedroom, room on both sides of the bed, access to the bathroom from both sides, block out curtains, which is great if you want to have a sleep in. All the kitchen appliances are height adjustable with a touch of a button to make it the right height if you're a wheelchair user or somebody who just needs to change the height to access it. The kitchen, there is a great washer, dryer, ironing board and iron, and a bit of space, which is always nice. Some pegs because there's a drying rack outside on the veranda as well if you just want to save electricity and be environmentally friendly. And that is Swansea Gardens Holiday Park. And we've also got blinds that open and shut with a touch of a button, making it really, really easy to operate.